Reinforcement steel, or rebar, is tested to ensure it meets required strength, ductility, and other properties for structural integrity. Common tests include tensile, bend, and rebend tests, along with chemical analysis and visual inspections. These tests help verify the rebar's ability to withstand tension, bending, and other forces within concrete structures. Steel reinforcement tests. Here's a breakdown of common reinforcement steel tests. Destructive tests. Tensile test. This test determines the rebar's yield strength, ultimate tensile strength, and elongation. It involves applying a tensile force to a specimen until it fractures, measuring the force and deformation at various points. Bend test. The bend test assesses the rebar's ductility by bending it around a mandrel to a specified angle. It checks for cracks or fractures on the outer surface of the bend. Rebend test. Similar to the bend test, the rebend test assesses the rebar's ability to withstand repeated bending and rebending, which is crucial for construction applications where bars may be bent and rebent during installation. Impact test. This test measures the rebar's resistance to sudden impacts or shocks, often involving dropping a weight onto the specimen. Hardness test. Hardness tests, such as the Brinell or Rockwell tests, evaluate the rebar's resistance to indentation and wear. Non-destructive tests. Visual inspection. A visual check for rust, scale, cracks, or other surface defects is a basic but important quality control step. Dimensional measurement. Verifies the rebar's diameter, length, and other dimensions against specified tolerances. Chemical analysis. Determines the rebar's chemical composition, ensuring it meets the required material specifications. Ultrasonic testing. Uses sound waves to detect internal flaws or inconsistencies within the rebar. Other important considerations. Manufacturer's certificate. Always check the manufacturer's test certificate, which provides details about the steel's properties and grade. Site tests. Basic site tests can include checking for rust, debris, and comparing the bar's markings, grade, diameter, against the certificate. Weight verification. The weight per meter of the rebar can be checked against the manufacturer's specifications. Standards and specifications. Reinforcement steel testing is typically performed according to established standards like STM 615 615M and IS 1786. Fatigue testing. For applications where rebar is subjected to cyclic loading, fatigue strength is an important consideration.